Yo, Bushan for Mechamuni na Mediane Brasset. Yaba reacted to video be just an Sembia Koso Ghana. I remember one sister be sending me video way, and I thought of reacting to this video, even though I'm not on that one, but I was reacted to this video. Now, you share a munsemo. You can be some more. It exists. People do call that spirit. From that video eba behwe obetin nsema wo mu and ebi mo rejecting nyame I don't blame them because skills na kata na nusu no emfi na nusu ye se fi na nusu a na story na about say Paul de ani bi story no about say Paul de ani bi enti enuanom yenko na yenko ko react to video no me pa so new to channel na hit the subscribe button no like the video no na so share na Ebusian for yanko na yanko nkwohwe video no
video mami me see Bible see me Bible mercy no ebe kan ni into ashes mercy no me obi ati fa Bible ni ada me obi ati fa Bible ni end ada o se Bible ni enshi me see na ma won say me enshi
oh she Bible no
Oh, Sinampa.
Now they may you know my belief I believe in modern nature. Without nature nobody can do me anything. I believe in Mami Wata. Okay, Mami Wata be the everything. She be the creator, not be anybody. Without water you can't live. You are coming to use water. And Mami Wata is you. The desire Gina said Mami Wata is evil. But nobody is evil. You're a woman.
Come on.
Always with the agent.
Hey, yo, Jane. You want to Bible?
Almost saying to me, shit. It's not a Bible never say. Bible never say. There's no power in the name of. There's no power in this. There's no power in the name of Jesus.
Hey,
I tell you. There is no power in the name of. There's no power in the name of God. There's no power in the name of Jesus.
Jesus mean na ka ba bono.
No, me bono by me chana give keke. When you're African, you need to believe in your culture and believe in nature too.
come on.
Nature ba kope. Asima say, wo honum. Wa waje beka to ade a wo yenye. Anya boni entia wo yonko. Na se Bible no, I say me so no. Wo da me se no mkasa mo me evil a me pe. Me nya wo trasa. Ayi kran na me ni. Se na ya bobo phone browse. Unya me na bu phone ti me ma me so.
Hey.
Say your modern nature na bu phone be ba me so dia anya meti ase. Modern nature na
Modo chala la ba.
I did doctrines in your rabbi.
It's over right.
So I better move free me here. Oh, we move go chrome. Sure. Oba on you call 2 million 2.5 beko. Uko chrome 60 Ghana between 7 sets. And then they be chrome na ni ubenya. And you mean besides the body. Me say that no the body call Accra and okay to name it and I didn't win maybe a two so I my phone call
and then I can aluminium for the end of the day my miss can be
and me free you turn all the mommy 2 million.
I was or the 2 1.2.
Me say Anya 100 Ghana krana.
100 Ghana there. 100 Ghana 1.5. But 60 Ghana there. 7 cents.
Come on.
Wow.
Me I say Nyankopon te Bible dem.
African. What I say, I believe in my culture.
Jamra o yare.
Not fucking shit Bible.
What?
Minimum no kwano. Obi antimi fan bibia ndanda no. Ma dwemo bi. Omo mada no mada. Ba me ma sorry. Enyane minime ho ma no guys. What na order dada. Traditional thing and the whole. Trust my fear. And the whole be answering. Who did the wine a ball? I said him no ball. I believe with your what
Yo busian for hu de ekọ no. Che say na adwa ne say Nyankopon na Yesu omo hye Bible no omo hye Bible no mu. De wo share no sister, de wo share na hard copy of Nyankopon asem. Nyankopon enti asem no mu. Open the fencing e betena akoma mu is the word. What I say Nyankopon ti asem no mu. What can is a spoken word okasa e wona Nyankopon ti. You understand? And when I was on you are just wasting, I think, ink in it, paper. You understand? You are wasting just your time. Now, I don't blame anyone. Sir, modern nature and this animal, no can. Nina are their doctrines. And this is Ghana for you. People waste credit to watch and listen to this nonsense. Yes. I catch you say, your friend is saying, I'm mamre. If that's a mamre friend saying Nyankopon na di kan bae na hwan na bo nipa hwan na di amamre be wi ase enye nipa na di amamre be wi ase then who created that man with the montana on munjimi sa munjimi na mo fa Nyankopon enim enye sebe efom na muntietia me I don't blame her. I'm not going to judge her. Neni na ifra neni ni bia obenu no ho de oye no. I don't blame her. Ntebusian for let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The way no, what is wrong with her? Who be na funny moon or yes, na say out of ignorance. Me to me, no, is wrong teachings. What if I there and I answer? Yes, so in Shalom on your mokesi, your best so share you. Peace, shalom. I love you all.